Ever had this happen to you too?
Why would a new ignition coil cause severe misfires? An ignition coil converts low voltage into high voltage for the spark plugs. If the coil cannot provide stable ignition energy, misfires can happen. One possible cause is unstable voltage output. Without consistent voltage, spark energy can become weak or inconsistent. Another cause is damaged internal windings. Damaged windings reduce the coil's ability to generate high voltage. Poor insulation is another common problem. If high voltage leaks away before reaching the spark plug, severe misfires can occur. That's why some new coils can misfire right out of the box.